Boy, this sucks. I hit the stop button on my phone and immediately realized what I was doing wrong. Now I've got to use my video editor to attach these two files together, which is like a 6-hour operation. So I had to right-click, choose Unmount. And now I can resize it. You can't resize a mounted volume. The new size I want 157. And the reason I chose that number there is because I just multiplied 10 gigabytes by 1024, which equals 10,240, and I subtracted that from that original number you saw there. Free space following 240. That's 10 gigabytes. Let's resize it. Okay. We'll apply the operation. Yeah, apply you, man. Okay. Now let's create a happy new partition. And this one, I'm going to be able to call him. We're going to call him export. Okay. Is everything else right? Yeah. Okay. There's our export partition. And let's format to X4. Yeah. Okay, and now it's usable. Now we have our export partition without a label. Hang on. Yeah, sorry about that. You don't use a slash in the name of the partition. Come on. There we go. Okay, so now that partition should be usable. Hang on. I'm going to format it to an ext4. I think I just did that. Didn't I? Yeah, I just did that. Okay. One moment. Okay, I know this is running awful long, but I'm going to show you one more time. You'll see that it's listed as a device, and if I click on it, it mounts it, right? I'll unmount that. So let's do this. Let's go back to gparted. I want to get that UUID name. Right click, choose information, 3 taps, copy. Let me open up that. Yeah, you know, I got a better plan. Let's whoop. No. Okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to mount all of the, I'm going to copy all of this, right? That was sloppy. That didn't belong there. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste. This is how quickly you can do it. Change a comment to show that we're adding this to auto mount the export partition. Now let's go to get our UUID number from gparted. Close. Now I'm going to change this to the correct one. Oh, come on. Boy, is this hard to do behind a camera. Oh my God. I'm going to end up laying waste to this thing. Come on. There. That's all you got to do. Save it. Okay? Save. Exit. Exit. Reboot. Man, you're going to have to be seriously one bored dude to watch this crap. But it's the way I like to use my Linux system. In fact, it's the way I insist on it. I insist on having a separate data partition, and I insist on having an export partition. I insist on it. Okay, let's look in Nemo. That should not be listed as a device, and it isn't. Let's go up and up to the root level, and now you should see it and it is not listed here. Let me see why. Hang on. Man, I was in a hurry. I wanted to see how fast I could do it, and I blew it. Yeah, that'll confuse things. Let's try that again. Oh my God. This is going to be the worst video in the whole world. Well, it already is. This is going to get... I'm predicting 2 thumbs downs, 2 dislikes for every like. I'm predicting 5 views in a week. That's what I'm predicting. It's not about likes and dislikes. It's just that nobody will watch it. And that's fine. I don't care. Doing my thing, man. Just doing my thing. I love Linux. I love Linux. This system is so goddamn fast. It's not funny. And it's a, it's 7-year-old computer, 8-year-old now, I guess. It's ridiculously old and it's smoking fast, man. So we don't see that as our export partition isn't there. Oh God, this has got to end. And there it is, right? So let's drag it up. Come on, man. Oh, Jesus, really? There's a glitch. That should scroll up for me. There's a glitch. Yeah. That's a glitch. If I drag... See? That should scroll down the list, up and down for me, man. Hey, Callum? Cal? Do I have Cal on my mind? Is the DX Commander on my mind? Anyway, that's enough. That's enough, man. I'm calling this one quits. This is terrible. 73.